That's the uphill section there. We started the climb about 100 metre elevation from Waterfall Forest picnic area, Uloola Track. We're at the junction now. This way here is Uloola Falls, say 2.8 kilometres. To the right, Uloola Track goes up towards Engadine Track. Engadine Track crosses over a Kangaroo Creek. But we're heading that way now. Been a good walk so far. Junction now. We've just come out of the Uloola Track. Now we can take Uloola Track back up to Waterfall, which is where we're going. That's another 5.8 k's, almost 6 kilometres to Waterfall train station. At the junction, Carloo Track down this way here. Carloo Track is around 3 kilometres to Carloo Pools, and then you can do your climb back out up to Heathcote or Engadine, whichever way you want to go. We're heading this way, but first we're going to check the falls out. That's the end of our walk, and that's from Sutherland station to Waterfall station, which is around just short of 19 kilometres. Now, considering the distance, it's not a difficult walk, because once you get down to Audley, you've really only got one big climb back up into Uloola Track. Then the rest of the trail is pretty well undulating and it stays up high. My suggestion is for these long walks, take plenty of water, maybe a few supplies, a few munchies along the way. Take your time. Overall, great walk, you're going to love it.